Hey guys, it's Jeremiah, Stone Blue Airlines, and it's been a while since I've done a new post on the YouTube channel, and that's because we've been a little bit busy. We've moved into a brand new facility, new local retail shop in our area, as well as our online store that we ship out of here in Central Virginia. And I thought I'd just give you a quick little overview on our new space, which we're really excited about, local club and what we've got going on, and do an update on our FPV Wing Racing Championship with the Commonwealth Games, which is coming up July 28th, 29th. Come in for that Friday before to join us for the opening ceremonies, and come and check out all sorts of cool wing racing. So this is our local post that we put around to get some of the locals interested. It's free and open to the public. We've also got our Flying Circus event, which will be September 27th and 30th in Covington, Virginia. You can find that online at Flying Circus website. So our new indoor shop here, retail space. Got my office in the back there. Still getting a few things set up, but most of it's in my workspace as we do custom builds and repairs and all that fun stuff. Brand new nice facility, all sorts of products and stuff that we have here. This is kind of our popular spot for people coming in that are new to the hobby. We have a full screen setup with simulator, all the product and everything that they can check out, and we do a lot of flight demos, and I do a lot of education here locally. So make it easier for people coming in who have never done this before to just come in and hang out, learn how to fly and ship. With the Commonwealth race, we've got all the brand new medals that just came in. We're doing 2 classes, sport and spec, so if you don't know what wing racing is, you're definitely going to want to check that out, the fpvwra.net, and then of course the Flying Circus FPVfestival.com for the fall show that we put on. So guys, check that out. But brand new space here for our shop, and we are also slowly working on some stuff for crawlers and some different things in the back. I've got some FPV crawlers and stuff. We're slowly working on kind of like a little jungle gym area for that. Threw some stuff back in here that I've had laying around, some old barnwood and stuff. We're going to be adding some rock and some different stuff for a little crawler track when guys come out and hang out. The FPV cars are a great way to get people into the hobby, let them test it out, and it's a whole lot easier than learning how to fly for the first time. So guys, a little quick shot of this new space and what we've got going on. Look for new videos. I'll be traveling to Flite Fest. If you guys are heading to Flite Fest this next weekend or later this week to Ohio, look for us there. We'll have all sorts of gear and stuff set up. So we'll look forward to seeing you there. Guys, thanks for watching today's video. And always, if you have any questions or we can help you with your FPV or RC needs, check us out online, stoneblueairlines.com. Thanks so much, guys. We'll see you next time.